Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back, it's Subwoofer Technoboy, and in this video I'm gonna unbox this package which I have got delivered today from Amazon. And today is 20th November 2018, and this is a mono amplifier kit of 500 watt RMS. So let's just first open it up. Well, this is the kit itself. It's quite big. You'll see 4 transistors on this side and 4 transistors on that side, so total 8 transistors are there. And also it has a speaker protection relay here. You can see that it needs separately 12 volt power supply just for this speaker production board. And also let me check the orders. Okay, so this is the 12 volt power supply, and this is the 27 volt power supply for the main amplifier. And this is the speaker output, and this is the input, and this is the ground for this 27 volt power supply. So that's it. It looks nice, and I have a transformer that provide 30 volt 30 yeah, and the seller told me that it can take 30 easily, so I'm gonna use that. And in the next video I'm gonna connect this to the transformer and then check the audio output of this. So that's it guys, it's a 500 watt amplifier, and it cost me around 1700 bucks from Amazon. And that's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.